Hello, welcome to Richmond Tweed Regional Library. My name's Susan and I'm here today at Brunswick Heads Library. We're going to look at school holiday activities since you're on school holidays, and today we're going to make corner bookmarks, and they're little monsters. They look like this, and there's a few I'm going to show you at the end. So what you need to make these bookmarks, you need some paper. You can have plain paper or you can have patterned paper or even use some wrapping paper. You need some glue, some scissors, maybe a pencil, a black Nico pen or a black felt pen, and if you've got some googly eyes or some eye stickers or just some white paper to make some eyes with. So if you don't have a piece of square paper, which is what you need to start with, you can use a rectangle piece of paper, and if you fold it one corner across like that and then cut along this extra piece, when you open it up you'll end up with a square shape, and that's what you need to start making this bookmark. Okay, we're going to start with our square piece of paper. It's a bit of origami folding, so take one corner and fold it across and crease nice and tightly. Then we're going to take the outer corner and take it up to the top, and the same with the other side. Take it across and make sure they're nice and flat. Then open it up again and take one half and bring it back and fold it. So the point is just on the end, and now these side bits are going over and we're going to tuck it inside. I've tucked it in, and now I'm going to do the same with the other side. Fold it over and tuck it in. Oops. And make sure it's all nice and flat. Now we're going to add the inside of the mouth. So I might choose red, and I'm just going to poke it in there and flip it over and cut so I get that square. But it's too big, so I'm just going to take it out and freehand cut it a little bit shorter than the square. And now when I put it in, it should have a little border around the outside. So glue that on. Stick that in. And that's the inside of the mouth. And now for the teeth, I'm going to use some white paper. Just going to cut off a little rectangle. And now I'm going to zigzag some teeth. You can have big teeth, any size teeth. And that's going to glue underneath. So put a little bit of glue underneath. There's the teeth. And now for some eyes. And I get the lid from the glue, and that's a nice size for the eyes. So I'm going to trace around the lid. And if I fold that over before I cut it out, I'll get two eyes. So now cut that out.
I just have to say, Susan's so clever.
Thanks, Katie.
It is.
Now I have two eyes, and I'll put a little bit of glue on the back of that one, a little bit of glue on the back of that one, There. And now with your Nico pen, you can draw in the pupils. Going to do some crazy eyes. And there he is, starting to look like a monster now. That's that one, but have a look at some others that I've prepared earlier. This one I've put some scales on and some wings, and I've used googly eyes for that one. Another one here, instead of teeth, I've put a tongue on and some horns. And if you prefer hair, these two are my favourites. And you can make different sizes as well with any shape, as long as you start with a square piece of paper first.
What about that one with the pom-poms? Do we see him?
Oh, I can show you that one too. I had some leftover pom-poms and I've used those on the top and some little sequins. So anything you've got at home in your craft containers you can use. And now that we've finished our bookmark, I can show you how you use it. If you're reading a book at home and you're too tired to finish, and you want to remember where you're up to, you can just pop your corner bookmark on the page and that will save the spot for you. And there it is. So you might like to make lots of bookmarks in the school holidays and use them as gifts for friends and family and see how creative you can be. So thanks for joining us today for our craft, and we hope to see you in the library now that we're open. Bye.